Inside this machining shop, everything looks normal. Machines are running, workers are focused, and the day feels routine. But around equipment like this, routine is the most dangerous feeling. This worker walks close to a heavy-duty lathe, a machine powerful enough to cut through solid steel without slowing down. These rotating jaws can pull in anything that gets too close, and if it happens, there's no time to react. At first glance, nothing seems wrong, but he's already inside a zone that should stay clear whenever the machine is operating. One loose sleeve, one slip, even one small mistake can have massive consequences. This footage from December 10, 2018 shows a normal day inside a stone warehouse until everything goes wrong in seconds. Two workers are on the floor, one walking past, the other working inside a narrow space beside a tall stack of marble slabs. These slabs may look stable, but they're extremely heavy and unforgiving. If they're not secured properly, even the smallest shift in weight can turn deadly, and that's exactly what happens here. Without warning, the entire stack collapses. Dozens of slabs crash down with enormous force, giving the worker in the white shirt no chance to react. There's no time to step back, no time to shout. The collapse happens in an instant. Warehouse environments like this are always high risk. When materials weigh hundreds of kilos, even a minor mistake, unstable stacking, poor support, or working too close can become catastrophic. This clip is a harsh reminder that heavy materials don't give second chances. Proper securing, safe distances, and constant awareness are the only things that keep workers safe around loads that can shift without warning. In this factory floor, everything sounds normal. Machines humming, tools clanking, workers focused on their tasks. But in the middle of that routine, this worker stands beneath a suspended metal object, unaware of the danger above him. Then, without warning, the load drops. It falls fast and hits hard, landing directly on his head. In any other situation, this could have been instantly fatal. But one small choice made the difference. He was wearing his hard hat. That simple piece of PPE absorbs the impact and turns a deadly accident into a survivable one. It's the kind of moment that reminds everyone on a shop floor that protective gear isn't optional. It's the final barrier between a close call and a tragedy. Incidents like this happen in seconds. Whether it's a loose chain, a mechanical slip, or human error, heavy materials can fall without warning. And when they do, there's no time to move. Inside Yangyi Oxidation Unit 1, everything looks routine. Workers move through a maze of pipes and valves, checking gauges and performing maintenance they've done countless times before. But in chemical plants like this, danger doesn't announce itself. It builds quietly inside pipes, behind valves, and deep within the system. While the workers focus on their task, a pressure line begins to climb beyond its limit. The warning signs are subtle: a needle rising, a slight vibration, all easily lost in the noise of the plant. Then, in an instant, the system fails. A pipe ruptures or a valve bursts open, releasing a violent blast of superheated steam or corrosive chemicals. The reaction is immediate chaos. Workers run for cover as the plume erupts. This incident is a powerful reminder that chemical plants depend on strict procedures and perfect equipment integrity. Every bolt, every seal, every pressure reading matters. In high-risk facilities, complacency is the most dangerous thing in the room. A single misstep can lead to consequences no one can outrun. In this metal foundry, everything feels routine. Forklifts move heavy bales of scrap toward the furnace, feeding it load after load as molten metal churns below. But what happens next is one of the most dangerous mistakes that can occur in a foundry. A worker unknowingly introduces a bale that isn't completely dry. It looks like ordinary scrap, but hidden inside is moisture, the silent threat that turns molten metal into an explosive force. The moment the wet material hits the furnace, the reaction is instant. Water flashes into steam, expanding violently and blasting molten metal outward like shrapnel. It's one of the most feared accidents in the industry because there's no warning and almost no time to get clear. Foundries deal with extreme heat, heavy machinery, and constant pressure to keep production moving. But even one small oversight, like failing to check for wet materials, can trigger a disaster that puts everyone nearby at risk. This incident is a reminder that safety in heavy industry isn't optional. Workers need to stay alert, follow protocols, and make sure every load going into a furnace is completely dry. Because in environments like this, one mistake can turn routine work into a deadly eruption. The air is heavy with the smell of plastics, oil, and machinery. A lone operator works beside a massive rotating machine built for precision, power, and speed. But today, it becomes something else entirely. Whether it was a lapse in situational awareness or a critical failure in the machine's safety system, one thing is clear: the worker drifts too close to the moving parts, and in an instant, the line between control and chaos evaporates. The machine doesn't stop. It doesn't hesitate. Every rotation becomes a reminder that metal has no mercy. This footage stands as more than just an incident. It's a brutal reminder of how thin the margin of safety truly is. On September 2, 2021, what seemed like a routine day on the aft mooring deck of a massive ship turned into a nightmare in seconds. Securing a vessel to the pier may look simple, but in maritime operations, every rope, every line, and every movement carries hidden danger. A lone worker in high-visibility orange operates machinery designed to control the tension of the thick mooring lines. These ropes stretch to absorb the movement of the ship, storing enormous amounts of energy. The areas where that energy could snap back are called snapback zones, and anyone standing there is in immediate danger. Something goes wrong, a rope slips or a securing mechanism fails. The stored energy is released instantly. The rope flies across the deck like a slingshot, striking with deadly force. In a fraction of a second, a routine task becomes a life-threatening accident. This footage is a powerful reminder of the sea's unforgiving nature. Snapback zones aren't warnings, they're lethal. Workers must respect the physics at play, stay vigilant, and follow strict safety protocols, because in maritime operations, one small misstep can turn an ordinary day into disaster. Inside this industrial complex, where steel meets plastic, an injection molding machine hums with silent power. The air smells of polymers and hydraulic oil, and the machine's massive clamping unit opens and closes with hundreds of tons of force in a steady, hypnotic rhythm. A young worker stands nearby, focused on his task. One moment of distraction, a bypassed sensor, or a misstep can turn this routine operation into a life-changing accident. The machine doesn't care. It follows its programming without mercy. In workplaces like this, vigilance is everything. The difference between a normal day and disaster can come down to a single second, a single choice, or a single error. This clip is a stark reminder. Operating heavy machinery isn't just about following the machine's instructions, it's about constant attention, respect for the process, and never underestimating the power at your fingertips. On a typical construction site, a routine day hides a dangerous truth. Heavy machinery moves with silent, unforgiving power, and a single lapse can turn normal work into disaster. A worker stands with his back to a massive excavator. The operator begins to swing the arm, perhaps unaware
of the worker's position or misreading a signal. In seconds, the heavy bucket, a metal maw capable of crushing anything in its path, arcs through the air toward him. This near miss shows how quickly a moment of distraction or miscommunication can escalate. Construction environments leave no room for error. One misstep, one unclear signal, and tragedy is possible. The lesson is clear. Workers must stay alert, communicate clearly, and follow every safety protocol. In places where steel and hydraulics dominate, vigilance is the only thing standing between life and disaster. Inside a busy warehouse, everything seems routine. Forklifts glide through narrow aisles, workers move with practiced precision, and inventory stacks reach toward the ceiling. But one small mistake is all it takes. A forklift operator brushes against the base of a massive racking system. The impact seems minor, but physics doesn't forgive. A chain reaction begins. Shelves collapse, tons of inventory tumble, and chaos erupts in seconds. Whether it was overloaded racks, a design flaw, or the inherent danger of operating heavy machinery in tight spaces, the result is clear. One moment of inattention can trigger disaster. This footage is a stark reminder that safety cannot be optional. Precision and efficiency mean nothing if proper protocols are ignored. Workers must remain alert, machines must be handled carefully, and companies must maintain systems to prevent catastrophic failures. In warehouses like this, every second counts, and the margin of error is razor thin.